Okay guys, this is my Digistore24 account, and here you can see I made 7,000 euros on this account. And actually in today's video I'm going to show you how I used ChatGPT to create a free tool for me that helped me to make some of this money. So first thing I did, I actually went on a website called BuzzSumo. So this website will help you to find hot trends in a specific niche. So here I typed weight loss, for example, and press enter. And here I have actually chosen past week, okay? And here you can see total engagement on Facebook, on Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, number of backlinks, and here you can see total engagement. Here you can see content that has most engagement in past week on internet. Here you can see all of those, and all you have to do is just scroll through this to find some interesting text, to find some interesting posts. For example, look at this. Weight loss drugs, Ozempic, and I don't know how to pronounce this. Look at this, 516 in total engagement. So I actually don't know what this is. So I can simply copy this, okay? Control C. And next thing I did, I actually went on Google Keyword Planner. And I clicked here, discovered new keyword. And I paste that here. So let me just delete this. And here I have chosen United States. And then click here on get results. And here I actually got results. Here you can see Ozempic between 100,000 and 1 million searches past month in United States alone on Google. And what I did, I actually clicked here 3 months change to see is this really a trend. And look at this. This is actually a trend. Look at this. 9,900% increase. This is a huge trend. This is a huge trend. So what I did, I actually, so let me just copy this. I actually went on Google to research this. And I simply paste that here. And like I said, this is obviously some kind of drug. Now, to be honest with you, I don't really like promoting drugs or anything like that because you don't really know all the consequences, benefits and causes and pros, so I don't really like to do that. But for the purpose of this video, I will actually use this as an example. So next thing I did, I actually typed here weight loss. Okay, weight loss. And here you can see even more results. People are talking about this. Now this is a tip for you. When you are looking for hot content, content that's going viral, what you need to do, you actually need to see, are there any celebrities who are talking about that? Because celebrities are a great magnet for readers. People like to see celebrities talking about some stuff. So here I will simply see, okay, obviously there are celebrities who are talking about this drug. So look at this. There are many celebrities who are talking about this drug. So what you can do is you can simply go through these to find the website with a good title, okay? With a good title, with a good content that you can use, okay? And for example, let's just say I wish to use this website here. This is actually a good title, Ozempic, Hollywood's weight loss secret. So I can simply click here to open this website to check it out. And as you can see here, this actually looks like a good article. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on ChatGPT. Now this is important part of the video, so pay close attention. I went on ChatGPT. So next thing I did, I actually went on ChatGPT, and this is the prompt that I use. So pay attention. I simply tell ChatGPT to create me a full page embed code for this web page. And I went back here, copy this, Control C, and I paste that here, okay? And press enter. And now ChatGPT will create a embed code for this website. And here you can see they are giving me some instructions how I can use this and how can I actually edit this further according to my needs. So like I said, now I have this HTML code that I can embed this web page on my website, on my hosting. Now, this is another tip for you. If you can actually embed this website on your own hosting, that is by far best option. But I know that many of you can't do that. So for this purpose, I'm going to use Google Sites, and that is alternative. But like I said, I strongly recommend to actually embed these websites on your own hosting. So let me just go back here, and I can simply click here on copy, and now I need to go on Google Sites, and here I need to choose a header type title only because I don't need that. And this is also really important, so pay close attention. I need to click here on embed because we need to embed that HTML code that we created in ChatGPT. Click here, paste that here, and click here on next, and here you can see how this actually looks. And when I click here on insert, here you can see how this looks. And I can actually drag this, and I can also drag it like this. And now when I click here on preview, I can see how this actually looks. Like I said, I didn't drag this entirely, so you need to scroll through this, okay? And if you're wondering, well, is this legal? Actually, it is legal because we are only embedding this website. And as you can see, all of their links are still here. Their ads are still here. So let me just scroll down. Here you can see all of their ads. Everything is still here. They will get this visit. If someone click on that ad, they will make money. Like I said, it is legal. And also here you can see this actually doesn't look that good because, like I said, it is best to do this on your own hosting. Now, this is a notification for you. Many big websites like CNN, New York Times, and so on, they do not allow embedding their website. So if you try to do this for one of those big websites, you won't be able to do that because, like I said, they do not allow embedding their website. But these smaller websites, they do allow that because it is getting them traffic. And like I said, all of their ads are still here. So if I click on this, they will actually make money. And that is why they allow this. So let me just close this. And you are probably wondering right now, well, how do we actually make money with this? And this is the next step, also really important. So what I need to do, I actually need to go back here on Digistore24 and I need to click here to go on Marketplace. So something actually went wrong, so let me refresh this. Okay, I fixed this. And now what I need to do, I need to find a product in this niche that I can promote. So let me just find, for example, fitness and health. And here you can see there is lots of products related to fitness and health. So let me just click here. For some reason this doesn't work. Okay, now it works. Okay, and here you can see there are lots of products related to fitness and weight loss. So let's say, for example, blood sugar, okay, that is related to Ozempic, because when we go here, you will see that this is actually a diabetes drug, and that is why this product here, Smart Blood Sugar, is perfect for this page, okay. And here you can see I can earn 38 euros. So let me just switch this to US dollars, okay, US dollars, and here you can see I can actually earn $41 per sale. So next thing I need to do now, when I have my affiliate, when I have my product, so next thing I need to do, I need to go back on ChatGPT and I need to create a new code. And I need to tell ChatGPT to create me something like this, okay? Here you can see create HTML code for me when people visit specific page on my website. Show them my affiliate offer at the bottom. Now you can play with this thing. Now this is simple prompt. Now I actually managed to make even better prompt, but I will leave you to play with this to see all the things that you can do. Here you can see I even gave them a font, I gave them letter size, I gave them everything, okay? And they created this HTML code for me. And all I have to do now is just click here on copy. And now, this is important, I actually need to paste that here in Notepad. And here you can see youraffiliateoffer.com. Now I need to go back here on Digistore24, click here on promote. This is my Digistore24 affiliate link and I need to replace this. So let me replace this, okay, and paste that here. And now this will be my affiliate offer. Here you can see my affiliate offer. You can change that, for example. So let me just, okay, I will just, for the purpose of this video, I will just copy this, okay, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to copy this, okay, Control C, and now I need to go back on Google Sites, okay. So now I need to again click here and then click here on this pencil to edit this code, and then scroll down on the bottom and paste that code here. Click here on next, and here you can see how this actually looks. So let me just click here on save and give it a second to actually upload this. And when I click here on preview, you can see how this actually looks. So let me just scroll. Here you can see this is my affiliate link and my call to action. Like I said, here you can see smart blood sugar, but you can change this. For example, you can say, check out my affiliate offer or something like that. Whatever you want, you can say it here. And now when people click here, it will take them to my affiliate offer. And if they buy this product, I am going to earn an affiliate commission. And like I said, I managed even to add a white box around my text. I even managed to add an image of this product here also, and when people click on this text or on that image, it will take them automatically to my affiliate offer. And like I said, I gave you just simple, just basic prompt for ChatGPT, so you actually have to work for it. You need to play with this by yourself to see all the things that you can do with this. That is the only way you will learn, and that is why I gave you only a basic prompt. But like you see, this is an amazing tool, and all you have to do now is just start driving traffic, as much traffic that you can to your Google site. As you can see, it is a good article that provides value. It has a good title, catchy title, and also it has your affiliate link. And like I said, just start sharing your Google site on related Facebook groups, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Pinterest, on related forums, related blogs, wherever you can. Start driving as much traffic as you can. And trust me guys, people will like to read this article, and they will actually click on this link, and some of those people will buy your Digistore24 product, and you are going to earn an affiliate commission, in this case $41 per sale. So if I make just 10 sales, I will make $400. That is how good this method is. Like I said, all you have to do is just go on ChatGPT and use it to create different kind of tools that you can use for affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.